Make a great choice today with the 2020 Cabriolet. The Audi Cabriolet. Solid German engineering. Smooth powertrain with a comfy interior will have you riding in luxury. So this vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options. Turbocharged, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, convertible soft top, rain-sensing wipers, fog lamps, four-wheel disc brakes. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.